Hi there, I'm just going to show you how to use the rotate tool within SketchUp. I do think this is one of the more challenging tools to use. So here we've got an object that I've added into my room and I want to be able to move it around. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the object and then I'm going to go to the move section and click on the rotate tool. Now the thing with the rotate tool is the fact it's about making 2 clicks before anything rotates. So for example, if I click on the center here, I click once and then pull out. This is a sort of a line to pull out and click again. It will now rotate around the point that I clicked first at. Okay, push escape, it clears it. So if I want to rotate around this leg, if I click once to place the center, draw out a line, click, and then I can rotate however I want. Okay. Again, if I go over here, click once, draw a line, click again, and then you can rotate this way. Okay, it takes some practice in order to get confident with the rotate tool.